Okay, so this is part two of cooking and cleaning. I've washed the pan out. I've washed the plastic bowl out, and so all I have to do is rinse that guy out because I scrubbed it with the detergent that I have. So that's nice and done and clean. And then with this guy here, it's the same deal. You want to make sure that you use dishwashing liquid that's going to cut the grease. And Mom is already going to have that in her kitchen. You don't have to really worry about it. Just use it. Because like I keep saying, moms like it when you cook and clean. Now, I showed you that my food was already done. But when you're cooking, you always have a chance to come in and quickly cook and clean like that. And what I'm also going to do is spray with the dishwashing liquid. I'm spraying the sink because it has grease in it and oil, and that will attract bugs. And then also your station, not your station, but your sink is not going to be clean. And then I take the water, and then I take this sprayer and I just rinse out the sink. And so the sink is clean, your dishes are clean, your food is ready, and you just mangez-vous beaucoup. And as you can see, I also put away my pots and my pans. This goes up here where my dishes are, my spices. And that's it. And what I'll do is after I finish, I'll come back and I'll clean also the plate. I'll wash the plate out. Never leave a dirty kitchen. Never leave a dirty countertop. You can always come with a sponge and you go over the countertop. And that's making sure also that there are no crumbs for bugs and it's not dirty. Because what I keep saying, moms like it when you cook and clean. And there you go. It doesn't get any better than that. Food is done. Station is clean. Sink is clean. And that's it. So thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you again real soon.